ClaimRbxgg review. Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. If you're a player of Roblox and you find a site called ClaimRbxgg promising free Robux or earn Robux simply by playing games, you're about to see why most people get this wrong. The price isn't always money, it might be your time, risks, or data. Here's what the site claims. ClaimRbxgg tells users they can register, watch videos, complete tasks and instantly withdraw our Robux to your Roblox account. ClaimRbxgg, but investigations flagged this site as very high risk and potentially fraudulent. Security analysis gave a very low trust score and flagged deceptive tactics. ClaimRbxgg. What you get: the hope of free in-game currency Robux, possibly some tasks or offers, but often with heavy conditions. What you give up: your personal details, your account risk. Roblox may ban accounts if rules violated. The time and effort invested for little or no real reward. The possibility of being scammed. Reports indicate the platform is designed to steal money or personal info. ClaimRbxgg. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Remember that Roblox specifically warns against free Robux sites. They violate terms and may lead to account ban. Step 2. Check site trust scores and scam warning sites. ClaimRbxgg scores extremely low. Step 3. Ask, what's the real value? Is the free really free, or is there hidden cost? Install apps, pay, share credentials. Step 4. Make sure you use only official Roblox channels for currency or in-game purchases. You won't believe what happens next if you overlook the lesson. People think free Robux no cost, but the cost might be your account access, data privacy, or payment of real money disguised as unlocking. The surprising truth: free offers often come with hidden trade-offs. In conclusion, ClaimRbxgg is high risk and not recommended for those serious about their Roblox account or data security. If you value your gaming account and personal info, stick with official channels even if they cost money. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more gamer smart reviews and what you're really paying for when deals look too good.